Hello friends, in this video let us solve the equations in substitution and elimination method. So what are these two methods? Let me explain you with the help of the example. Let us take the example of the pair of linear equations. For suppose 2x minus y equals to 5 and 3x plus 2y equals to 11. Let us consider these two are linear equations. Let us solve these two linear equations first in the substitution method. So this is substitution method. Substitution method means nothing but you have to let us consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Means nothing but you have to convert either x value or y value. You have to convert either x value in terms of y or y value in terms of x with the help of one equation. So let me explain you. So equation 1 can be written as y equals to 2x minus 5. So this y I have sent it to the right hand side and 5 to the left hand side. Then it becomes 2x minus 5 equals to y. So I have written y is equals to 2x minus 5. Correct. So this value, this y value, let us substitute this y value in equation 2. So put y equals to 2x minus 5 in equation 2. So y is equals to 2x minus 1 value of y you have to derive it from one equation and you have to substitute in the another equation. Okay. When you substitute here 3 into x plus 2 into what is y value 2x minus 5 equals to how much 11. So 3x plus 2 into 2 4x minus 2 into 5 10 equals to 11. Correct. So 3x plus 4x how much 7x. So when minus 10 if it goes to the right hand side it becomes plus 10. 11 plus 10 how much it will be 7x equals to 21. Then x equals to 3. Correct. X equals to 3. When x equals to 3, substitute this x value in the y value. This is, let us assume this as equation 3. So put x equals to 3 in equation 3. We got the x value, right? Let us substitute this x value in the equation 3. What do we get? Y value. Y is equals to 2x minus 5, which can be written as 2 into, what is value of x? 3 minus 5. 2 3s are 6. 6 minus 5 will be 1. So y value is 1. So from this solving, therefore, what is x value? X value is 3, comma, y value is 1. So this is the solving of equations using substitution method. Okay. Let us solve the equations using elimination method. So elimination method. First write the given two equations. 2x minus y equals to 5. 3x plus 2y equals to 11. Okay, these are the equations. So when you see here, the x values should be same or the y values should be same. Here when you observe, the x coefficient is 2 and the x coefficient is 3. So 3 will not come in 2 table. Correct. Again 2 will not come in 3 table. Remove this. So here y coefficient is 2. Here y coefficient is 1. So in order to make the coefficient of y as 2, I am multiplying this entire equation 1 into 2. Okay. Let us put this as equation 2. This entire equation 1 I am multiplying with 2 because to make the coefficient of y equal. Okay. Here why am I not multiplying this x with x? Why I am not multiplying with x coefficient means to make this equal in 2 table you will get 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Again 3 1s are 3 2s are 6. So 6 will be the only common for 2 and 3. So for getting 6 you have to multiply first equation with 3, second equation with 2. Correct. So it's a long process. So that's why I have move on to the y coefficient. So your y coefficient multiplying only one single equation with 2, that's easy, right? So equation 1 into 2, how much you will get? 4x minus 2 into y minus 2y equals to 5 into 2, 10. Okay, 3x plus 2y equals to 11. In case here, if it is plus means, if plus plus is there, in order to remove this you have to subtract, but when you see here, so when you see here, when you perform addition function, 2y will be cancelled off, then 4 plus 3x, it becomes 7x. So just do addition, that is equals to 11, 10 plus 11, it becomes 21, then x value will be 3, and put this as equation 3, then put x equals to 3 in either of the equation, whatever you like you can put on. So put x equals to 3 in equation 1. What will you get? 2x minus y equals to 5. What is x value? 2 into 3 minus y equals to 5. 2 into 3, 6 minus y equals to 5. Y equals to 6 minus 5. So y equals to 1. Correct. So therefore x is equals to 3 comma y equals to 1. Okay, here I'll explain you again. Here first thing what you have to do, whether the quotient, either of the coefficients, either x coefficients or y coefficients are equal or not, you have to check. In case if it is not equal, you have to multiply. First preferences, you have to check whether if one of the equations when you multiply, you have to check whether the coefficients will become same. If it is okay, then only multiply with the one equation only. After that, do either subtraction or addition. So after that, get one value, remaining value. What will you get? You'll get x value here. Put x value in either of the equations, either 1 or 2, no problem. So I have substituted in equation 1. So I got the y value as 1. So here x is 3 and y is 1. So when you see here in substitution method and as well as here elimination method, the values of x and y will get the same thing, but the process is different, that's it. So this is the solution for the two methods. So substitution method and elimination method, this is the solution. So I hope you like this video. In case you like the video, do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.